Hi everyone, just a very quick message to wish all of our customers, employees, suppliers and friends a very happy Christmas and a safe and healthy and prosperous new year. This has been another exciting year for Symetri with further growth into new industries and technology sectors. Our global footprint has grown to make Symetri the largest Autodesk partner worldwide, and we have continued success with our own technology brands such as Naviate, Sevilla and CQ Flexmon, all designed to help you to work smarter. Here in Symetri Ireland, we'd also like to thank all of our customers for the business throughout 2022, and we look forward to serving you again in 2023 and beyond. Wishing you and your families a very happy Christmas. Thank you.